All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our special application designed for schools. Mainly, it is meant to track students' conduct in schools. And essentially, it is used for monitoring students' conduct in order to guide decisions such as leadership roles, directorial positions, and so on um, in school environment. So the behavior can be negative or positive. So you have to log everything, all your experiences with students. Mainly, it can be used in a school environment by teachers um, and librarians. All right. So how does it work? Well, let's just test with this. So let's assume that I encountered a student who misbehaved in the library. Okay, so let's say the student's name is Agnes Bush. I log it. Student is in DP2A. Student was playing music loud, talking. It's rock TV. But copy the date, paste it, and then select today's date. All right. Then let's say severity is high. You say high severity just for the purpose of demonstration. However, during your time, you can even edit, but it's not recommended. You can put severity high, mean that very good or very bad. Could mean anything. Then here, we can put the name of the teacher or the person logging it. Let's say Luis, and management email, whoever you want to be notified, the adult whom you want to get notified. Realize that automatically an email is sent to the adult, all right? Then later at the end of the week, an email will go to the management, okay? Management email. The management whose email address you place there will receive that email. Now, if you wish to send or notify management immediately by email, you can just go there, student conduct tracker, and force weekly conduct, and goes there immediately. Management will also be notified. Now, let's check the email to see how the email is going. So there's the email. Agnes Bush, see an email, play music, talking disruptively in the library, right? And let's check the management email. You go there because we forced it. You have Agnes's name in the list of students' um, conduct. This is how the system works, and based on your comments on our YouTube channel, probably we would improve it. And we look forward to engaging with you to give you better system. So thank you so much for installing our application.